OnePlus recently shared an official unboxing video of their new flagship device ahead of the launch event scheduled for October. This highly anticipated phone is definitely worth the wait. OnePlus is going all out with impressive specifications, aiming to compete directly with the iPhone Pro Max and Samsung S series. The unboxing reveals a sleek design, packaged in a stylish box that includes the device and a power brick, something missing from Samsung and Apple. With a staggering 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, this device is packed with top-of-the-line specs. The phone features a stunning flat design with subtle curved edges, complete with volume and power buttons on the side, along with the iconic alert slider. The white color looks fantastic with a matte finish on the frosted glass. The back houses a circular camera module with triple cameras and a flash, along with the Hasselblad logo in the top corner and the OnePlus logo in the center. This module design is different from previous OnePlus models, as it isn't attached to the side frame. The device boasts a quad curved display with minimal bezels, reminiscent of the Xiaomi Pro. It will utilize the BOX panel, offering brighter colors and enhanced eye protection. Additionally, the new Glacier battery technology allows for a thinner battery design without adding thickness to the device. An ultrasonic fingerprint scanner ensures fast and secure unlocking, even in wet or dusty conditions. The OnePlus flagship will also support magnetic wireless charging, similar to Apple's MagSafe, with accessories expected from OnePlus and third-party brands. The phone is powered by the Qualcomm Elite Chipset, based on a 7nm TSMC process, featuring a custom CPU with the prime cores clocked at 3.2 GHz and for performance cores. Qualcomm promises a 20% boost in CPU performance, a 30% improvement in power efficiency, and a 40% faster GPU. OxygenOS will come with exciting updates, showcasing smoother animations and add body text customizable features that might remind you of iOS, including dynamic notifications and an iOS-like control center. Thanks for watching.